some electrical single phase to three phase conversion is also going on, and current the process in which this is there on internal wall partitions work and lift work is going on, and then we are doing in this on a turnkey basis, which includes your all waterproofing, putty painting, all those details are there. And you can see here these are some extra columns which we have given, because this building has got only slab without any columns in the middle, like the typical old construction which were used to done in 15 to 20 years back. And on this 9-inch wall the slab was there, and so for safety and precaution we have given this additional support. Some 18 channels we have given, and you can see this is a 2-inch wall panel. And I'll take you to the second floor also. You can see here. Now some part work was pending, because this is a typical site where we don't have any space for saving the materials also to store. So that's why we have not, the work is in the slow pace. So probably in the next week we will, in the next coming 2 weeks we are going to finish the fabrication and internal wall partition. So you can see this slab like this. This is the waterproofing sheet. So on this is the core part, and this is the fiber sheet which is a waterproof. You can see here, you can see this is the Birla Aerocon panel. And the main this is the main location in Kambam. This all, see this work.